Hi, I'm Wayne, Product Director of Sentient.io. Our platform exists to help developers build AI and data-driven solutions quickly and easily through the use of microservices. Let's get started. This is the page where we list all our microservices. You can think of microservices as small modular services or functions that can work independently or together. Let me go over them. Our voice and speech microservices perform tasks such as voice transcription or text-to-voice functions. Our computer vision microservices can identify people, objects, or even landmarks in images and videos. Our natural language processing microservices perform language-related tasks such as identifying name entities, identifying the taxonomy of a word, or even summarizing a blurb of text. The utility microservices are meant to be a convenience to developers by packaging common tasks such as conversion, extraction, and more. Finally, our data microservices enable you to obtain local and often hard-to-find data in a quick and convenient way. We hope you will enjoy incorporating our microservices into your applications to make them smarter and easier to use. We will walk you through making your first API call in our next video.